you can't expect to have looked on a member of my agency and tell them that you intend to shut down the agency by hook or crook.
I did say.
And not expect it not to come back to me.
Mullins, you think it's by coincidence that one of your right-hand top lieutenants got that information? It wasn't by chance. I wanted you to know that your agency is under my scrutiny. At some point, all of us will have to face the judgment sword. And all of our laundry, whether it be clean or dirty, will have to come to the surface. Yours included.
Speaking of coincidences, what you just said closely mirrors Mr. Major's Genghis Khan quote. What do you think?
David, let's cut to the chase. We're both chess players. Besides, you owe me a game. I've made my move. Your move is just too obvious though. First ranking at my office, then king. Now you're here. Just tell me what is on the table. What's the way forward?
Okay. When the young man came to my office and wanted all the files, I must be getting old because I inadvertently forgot to send him these. Yes, you might want to check it.
These are nice, David. I see you caught my good side. But next time you're going to take these pictures, don't do them all on the same day when I'm wearing the same shirt. Looks like a coincidence.
Look how it looks. A minister of government meeting various places with who you've already openly declared miscreants. And I'm not even going to go back as far as the unfortunate demise of your wife that is still a little cloudy. As to all of them being on the same day, Minister, I don't set your corruption schedule, you do.
Now what?
You've been working a little too hard lately. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to take a leave of absence. In the meantime, get out your lighter or matches or whatever you use, because you're going to burn that petition. In the meantime, in between time, your minister of government can sit in for you. And not to mention the signature on the warrant. A forgery. A very good forgery. But a forgery nonetheless.
Check, David. Check. Just remember though, chess is an ongoing game.
Funny you should mention that. Has it ever occurred to you that if one George Connolly were to have his record expunged, he would be eligible to run against you in the next election?
Let he without sin cast the first stone. Your agency is known to conduct shady affairs with shady people. The name you just mentioned, top of the list. We'll see how it goes. I'll talk to you.
As minister or private citizen?
always a minister, never a private citizen. You know what's coming for you.